everybody, it's Bunny, and please excuse my energy if I seem a little bit mellow today. I am quite exhausted. Today has been quite a busy day, and not only am I making Valentine's videos every single day, but I'm also trying to do Valentine's Day preparations in real life, and sometimes it's like a battle of getting all of the things done that I have to get done. But sippy, today is a Lush video, and I'm super excited because everything around me smells so good. I feel like it has been years since we have done one of these types of Lush hauls. We're gonna do a Lush unboxing because I have the Lots of Love Valentine's Day gift sets, and it's so pretty. I love recycling these Lush gift set boxes for all different stuff. I mean, first of all, once you take all the Lush products out of it, it smells so good, and it's also big enough for me to keep like little keychains and stuff from unboxings in. First of all, let's look at a couple of Valentine's Day products that are not contained in this box, because you guys, this year they made an enormous rose bombshell. I thought it was called something else, but they sent a couple for size comparison. They sent the normal sized one, and then they sent the gigantic one that they made this year, and this smells so incredibly deliciously of roses, obviously. So this is the rose bombshell, how it normally looks, how it's always looked, and then look at this guy. This is insane. It's so big. I don't even think like looking at it on the camera is doing it justice. I mean, there it is compared to the size of my head. It smells so rosy. I mean, this one smells very rosy. This one is like a bunch of roses just exploded in your house. Oh, can I just like rub dusties all over my shirt like a nasty person? Because I just did. This is called the Love Boat Bath Bomb, and this has got to be one of the most cute, creative, innovative Lush products I've ever seen, because it's an actual boat shaped bath bomb, and you've got to look at demos on the website. I'm gonna save it to actually use in my bath. I only have one, otherwise I would have totally demoed one for the video. But when you put it in your bathtub and it starts to dissolve, it actually scoots it along through your bath like a little boat. And I think maybe it looks like it has a little bit of pop rock kind of stuff in the bottom, and maybe that helps to scoot it along as well. I know some of the other Valentine's Day Lush products in the past have had like the popping candy effect, and it's so cool. I'm so excited to use that one. I also have this adorable wrap, and it says how to be a good Valentine. Call each other love, give each other a box of chocolates, share a bottle of champagne, enjoy a romantic dinner with candles and heart balloons, go for a walk down Lover's Lane, and get all the kisses you can think of. Adorable. I think I should wrap a little bath product for Dogman in this because it's orange. Now, I'm not gonna lie, when I see this, you have to know what I think of, which is Halloween, because it's black and orange, and I'm just ready. I'm ready for Halloween. Is it Halloween yet? No. And it makes me sad. I'm just waiting for my one day a year. Alright, I did get some Life staples as well, which is the Aroma Water Toner Dirty Spring Wash. This is always one of my favorite Lush scents ever. I love that shower gel. I love all dirty products, actually. The perfume, the soap, all of it. I want it. I got 2 bars of the Outback Mate soap, and this is probably my favorite Lush soap at the moment. I hope they don't discontinue it, because you guys, they recently discontinued the 93,000 miles shower jelly, and that was like one of my all-time favorite Lush products. But this is an extremely minty smelling shampoo. It's so gorgeous and the scent is absolutely gorgeous as well. So I got a couple of slices of that. I got a couple of the Bright Side bubble bars. This is probably my favorite bubble bar that Lush makes. Also a couple of the new shampoo bars. It smells like cinnamon. It's supposed to help your hair grow, and it's definitely one of my all-time favorites. And my other all-time favorite solid shampoo, which is Karma Kumba, the green one, and this is in their signature Karma scent, and it smells so amazing. You know what else was Valentine's Day to show you guys? So we have the Kiss lip gloss, and in my opinion it's kind of more of a lip balm, but it is just a little bit tinted. I guess it kind of does have like a glossy appearance to it, but thankfully it does not have a glossy texture. These things are so cool. I think that they were always sold in the UK, but now they are slowly coming over to the States, and I think that these are just such creative products. I'm glad to see that they're here. They're very fragile, but they are called Lush soap cards, and this one I believe is called Kiss Me Quick, and so you just like put it in your hands and soap it up. I love putting these in our guest bathroom because it's just something that's like cute and festive to set out and display and invite your guests to wash their hands with adorable little Lush products. Let's go ahead and open this Lots of Love box. I didn't look at the card, so I don't know what's inside of it. I wanted it to be a little bit more of a surprise. Let's lift the lid and see what's inside. Oh my gosh. Let's lift the lid. There we go. Whew, that one was stuck on there real good. It smells amazing. And this gift was lovingly packaged by Roxanne's team. Thank you, Roxanne. It's hashtag Lush time. Look at these packing peanuts that Lush has now. They are shaped like little tiny stars. It's the little things that bring such great joy. I think that this is Sex Bomb. You know what? I'm probably gonna have to open this. Yes, this is Sex Bomb Bath Bomb, our sensual classic with skin softening soy milk and aphrodisiac jasmine and ylang ylang. I never feel like I'm saying any words right, actually. I was gonna say ylang ylang, but it's actually just basically most words in the English language. I would love to know. I just need to honestly ask Lush, because I feel like I say this every time we talk about Lush, that I've heard that these packing peanuts are edible. That supposedly if you eat them or you pour water on them, they will disintegrate. I would never personally eat one to test it out. We have a nice lotion, and this is the Rose Argan Body Conditioner. It smells so great. I think I'm gonna give this one to my mom because I think that that's where I've smelled this before. It was in a Lush Mother's Day set, but it is a nourishing argan oil and shea butter lotion that leaves skin soft and smelling of sweet fruity rose jam. There is a rose jam product as well, right? It's a squirty squirt body gel. That's what I was looking for. In the next little compartment, and this is so fun. I'm gonna try and show you guys the inside without making a filthy mess all over the floor, but I'm just going down like compartment by compartment. It's so cute. Last minute Valentine's Day present. If you don't have one yet, everyone loves Lush. Ew, this looks like a new product, and I'm loving it because it's like highlighter pink. I hope that that's showing through on camera, but we got ourselves the Titsy Toasty Bath Bomb, and this says concoct a love potion in your bath with Rose Absolute, Precious Orris Root, and Romantic Rosebuds. Orris root. So the back is white, and it looks like there are actual rosebuds inside the product, which I love when Lush puts things like that in there, because like when it, you know, is dissolving in your bath water, it's like the roses kind of open up. I don't know. It's very romantic. It's very pretty. I'm loving it. Next little compartment. Ooh, what is this? Oh my gosh, I love these, you guys. So this is a new product that I think that they just debuted in December for their Christmas collection. Did we do a Christmas haul this year or did we not? Did I forget it? They started selling their products naked. So this is one of the naked products, and this is the Tender is the Night Naked Shower Cream. So a sweet floral blend of jasmine, ylang ylang, and vanilla with muru muru butter for soft, kissable skin. So I think, no, this is a shower gel, shower cream. It melts in your hands, literally, and it just looks so cute. I don't know. I love it, and I kind of think that it seems like Lush is transitioning more and more away from packaging, and I think some products, they are like really going for it and that's how they're gonna do them, and then I think other products, like I don't know if they changed their mind, because I know for a while some of the lip products were in solid unpackaged like naked form, and they did shower gels and lotions, I think, or shower creams. I'm sorry, shower creams and lotions, but it seems like those are here to stay, so I'm liking it. I think it's cute. What do you guys think about that? Do you like the products in packaging better, or do you like the naked products better? You gotta let me know down below. We've got the Led Zeppelin bubble bar up next because it's called Whole Lotta Love, and obviously as a Zepp head I can't think of anything else. I saw them making these on an Instagram video the other day, and it was so fascinating because it literally looked like they were making food. They put the cream in the middle. It's not really like a cream, but it looked like a cream when they were making it, but they literally like pipe it in a circle like as if they're making macaroons or something. If you don't follow Lush on Instagram, you should, because it's so much fun. It's like my dream to go to the Lush factory one day in Canada. Maybe they'll let me make a bath bomb or a bubble bar. If you guys came to my Lush meet and greet back in 2014, there was a bath bomb press there, so I know a lot of Swamp fam got to make bath bombs years ago, but I didn't get to, and I want to do it. So this is Whole Lotta Love Bubbleroon. Sorry, I said something else, but it's a bubbleroon. So it says, show your skin a whole lot of love with silky cocoa butter waters and romantic jasmine rose bubbles. A little bit of these things go a long way. I normally cut them up and just use a little bit in my bath at a time. It makes a ton of bubbles. Next compartment, I think we are more than halfway through. So this is going to be the Melt My Heart massage bar. I love their massage bars as well. Ooh, I cannot wait to smell this one. I think they had a clove one a while ago. I don't know if they still make it or not, and that one was amazing. I love the scent of cloves so much. So these things literally start to melt in your hand, and a lot of them have like something in it. I think before it's been like pecan shells or something, so that it like lightly exfoliates. This smells amazing. I think this has been my favorite scent in this box so far. So it says, melt even the frostiest hearts with this floral stunner full of orange flower and violet leaf. I think I love the smell of violets. This smells amazing, and I know it's gonna sound crazy, but it almost has a little bit of a Christmas tree smell. I don't know why. It doesn't say anything about like evergreen or anything else, but to me, it smells a little bit like Christmas trees. Up next is just a little compartment that has instructions and a little bit more information about each product. Up next is definitely a new product. I've never had this before, and it looks so cool. So it's once again a heart-shaped bar. It looks a lot like the Toasty Toasty that I showed you guys earlier on the back. Not so much on the front. It looks like a different shape on the front. Ooh, this smells amazing too. Gosh, okay. Heart of Enlightenment Expectation Bubble Bar Melt. Set loving intentions as you soak in a bouquet of floral oils and absolutes and blissful butterfly bubbles. Oh my gosh, this smells absolutely amazing. Okay, so this is maybe tied for also my favorite, or maybe second favorite. It also looks so pretty. Once again, it kind of has like almost the appearance of food because it looks like it has a whipped cream frosting on top. Love the orange color. I think that this is going to be the product that I will wrap up and give to Dogman for Valentine's Day. I'm still trying to put together a little basket. There's so many Valentine's videos that I still want to make, but Valentine's Day is like one day away, and I know I'm not going to get them all up because I didn't do the what I got for my Valentine this year. Actually ordered Dogman a 1/6 scale Deadpool figurine, and I'm scared it's not going to be here in time because it's getting dangerously close to Valentine's Day. It's not here yet. Wish me luck that all of my Amazon Valentine's Day packages arrive. This is the Cherryish body scrub. So once again, it's a solid product melting in my hands. I smell the cherries from here. So it says get touchably soft with vegan white chocolate, dried cherries, and rich muru butter. And you can see them as they melt on my hands. I mean, it's a good thing that it melts so fast because obviously you want to be able to like use it on your skin very easily without like rubbing. So it's a good thing that they do melt at skin temperature, but you can see some of the dried cherries on my fingers from where it just started to melt, and it smells really awesome. If you love cherry things, you would definitely love that product because it smells so cherry. Oh my gosh, it reminds me of one of my favorite perfumes that is sadly discontinued. It's the Ralph Lauren Wild. I think it was called Wild. A couple years ago, many years ago, Ralph Lauren came out with a bunch of fragrances that were all in different brightly colored bottles. There was like blue, green, and this was the red one, and it smelled like cherries, and I love it so much. I'm sad that it's like discontinued. I feel like every perfume that I love in my life just gets discontinued, and I'm like, why? And then like you have like, I mean, I don't know. I'm not opposed to Marc Jacobs Daisy. It's not like my favorite perfume ever, but it's like you have perfumes like that that literally just go on forever. Like what is Daisy? Like 10 years old? And then like all these old perfumes that I like just totally get discontinued. Why? The injustice of it all. Ooh, this kind of has a bubblegum scent to it. So this is the Tunnel of Love soap. And it said, let love take you for a ride, perfumed with rosewater, sweet wild orange oil, and lime oil. I don't know why I'm like, bubblegum. But it has a little bit of a bubblegum scent to me, but maybe it's just the super candy smell of oranges and limes. I don't know why I associate fruitiness with candy, but I do. Also, I just noticed, look at the sides of the soap. It has like a little brick imprint so that it looks more like a tunnel. So adorable. Well, that is it, you guys. That's all the Lush products that I have to share with you guys today. Are y'all getting ready for Valentine's Day? Are you excited? Are you not? Let me know in the comments down below. But thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit that button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Swamp Family, and give an alligator its wings. Also, if you want, you can like me on Facebook, facebook.com/graveyardgirl, or you can follow me on Twitter, Tumblr, or Instagram at graveyardgirl. Same way it's spelled here. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye!